widget is GridView.builder. As we have already discussed about GridView.count, GridView.builder creates a scrollable 2D array of widgets that are created on demand. Here I created a list of network images, creating the widget GridView.builder. The first required parameter is grid delegate, which takes sliver grid delegate with fixed cross-axis count, in which we can give the cross-axis count. Now creating the two important required parameters, which are item count and item builder. In item builder, we are creating a card in which we will have the network image as its child. Changing background color of scaffold and passing the list items to the network image, and we are done.